Hey there, Merry Christmas everyone. I hope you're all having a good time with family and friends this season. Thanks for stopping by today. I'm Joe, your English specialist, and this is HOOLA Learning Studio, where you can learn everyday English. So I've got something special for you all, and it's going to be all about Christmas. Sit back and relax. Let's check out 4 English expressions. Number 1, White Christmas. So here in New York and many parts of the US on the East Coast experiences a lot of snow. Not all places around the world will get snow, but if you get a chance, it's a truly wonderful and special experience. Probably one of my most favorite things to do is to grab a cup of hot coffee or hot chocolate and walk around the city. I love Central Park and Bryant Park, and just right when it starts to snow, the city casts a magical feeling. The soft white flurries of snow slowly fall and covers everything from the trees, the statues, and the buildings. New York looks like a painting with the white snow. This is a white Christmas. A white Christmas means that it is a snowy Christmas. I hope one day you get to experience this. Number 2, light up like a Christmas tree. For a lot of kids out there, especially those who celebrate Christmas, experience the joy of the season. They get to watch Christmas movies like Home Alone or Elf, eat Christmas food and open up presents. Sounds nice, right? The smile that you see makes you feel wonderful. You know, the type of smile that you just can't stop, grinning from ear to ear. Have you ever given a gift to someone and their expression completely changes when they open it up? You could say that person lit up like a Christmas tree. We say this when someone's expression suddenly becomes happy. Their smile is so bright, like a Christmas tree. Number 3, Christmas came early. Do you love surprises? What was the best surprise you ever got? For me, there was this one time when I got a big surprise. I remember it was my birthday and I didn't really have anything planned. So, my wife decided to take me out to a nice dinner. Now we went somewhere in the city and she didn't tell me where we were going. And then we arrived to this restaurant and we were waiting for a table. I thought, wow, this is a cool spot. Then out of nowhere, my friends arrived one by one. I was so surprised. Christmas came early for me. So what does this mean? We normally say this when you get an unexpected welcome surprise. For example, when you find $20 in your pocket, it's like Christmas came early. Number 4, all my Christmases have come together. Now this expression is for those who have extremely good luck. We say, all my Christmases have come together when you have really good luck or happiness. Let's say, for example, there was this one time when everything seemed to work for me perfectly. I remember one summer we were playing basketball. It was a tough game and we were playing hard. It was back and forth, so it was a pretty close game. I was on fire that day and I remember that everything I touched was going in the basket. We ended up winning and I was so happy. Later that week, I met up with some friends. We had some dinner and decided to go to the casino. I remember we were playing some games and I put $10 in the slot machine. I was just playing for fun. Then, ding ding ding, I hit a jackpot and won $400. Then, at the end of the week, I got offered a new job to work in another country. They were paying for my flight and my accommodation. I couldn't believe it. Everything was working out for me that week. All my Christmases have come together. Man, those were some good memories. Have you ever been this lucky or happy? Thanks for staying back and watching this video. We at HOOLA Learning Studio and myself would love to wish you a festive season that is full of love, joy, good food, and great conversations. A Merry Christmas to everyone out there. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us for more videos as we enter the new year. I appreciate all your love and support. I'm Joe, your English specialist, and this is HOOLA. Until next time, bye.